This is the STM 1800 mobile workstation. It runs around on 4 wheels, and these 4 green knobs right here allow you to adjust the height of the unit to your preferred height. All folded up like this, it's light enough and compact enough that you can load it up and take it to the job site. And then if you unlatch these green things right here, you can fold it out. And then push these 2 center pieces till it locks in place. And in that configuration, you have just over a 40 by 40 workspace. And then to make it bigger, you'll come down to these attachments right here. You'll loosen off these green knobs and they'll slide out. And these are made up of 2 components, this larger piece and this clip-on piece. The clip-on piece just pops off and then they attach in these 2 spots. If you pull this green knob right here, this outrigger will slide out and this clip-on piece can snap in place. And then this larger one fits inside this slot and tightens down with this green knob. And then there's 8 of these in total. When they're all installed, increases the workspace up to about 72 by 84. There's one more clip-on unit that goes here in the middle. And now all these sacrificial wood pieces are at the same level, giving you a nice flat surface to put your wood on. Now on one side of the table, you'll find both here and here that there are latches that flip up into place. And this allows you to roll it up near to a sheet that you want to pick up. Then you'll lock these 2 wheels, and then you can tip it up into place right in front of the sheet you want to pick up. And then you can just lift it up and hoist it onto those 2 latches and then lay it down onto the workbench and then tip it back upright. Once the table's set up, you can use it for a whole bunch of things like working on doors or just as a workbench top. But it's really good for sizing material with the track and track saw. With these sacrificial pieces here, you can set the blade just below the bottom of your workpiece and then cut right through. And at whatever point when you've worn these ones out, you can just replace them.